If you've been searching for how to get the old men homepage back, here's the truth right away. You cannot permanently restore the original classic men layout because Microsoft has phased out the older versions of the site. But the good news is that you can still make men look much cleaner and more familiar by turning off a lot of the clutter and switching to a simpler layout. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to reduce the random boxes, the busy news feed, and the oversized image sections so you can get a more classic feeling men homepage in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your browser and go to the men homepage. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon or settings icon. This is where Messen keeps the page customization options. Click that icon to open the homepage settings. Inside the settings menu, you'll see different layout choices. This is the most important part of the process because changing the layout can instantly make the site feel less crowded. If Messen is currently showing a full page layout with big image cards and lots of visual clutter, switch it to partial view or headings. Partial view is great if you still want some structure but want fewer large blocks on the page. Headings is even cleaner because it collapses a lot of the content into simple text-based sections. This gives the homepage a much more classic and lightweight look. Next, look for the content settings or content toggles in the same customization area. Min often includes an algorithmic news feed that fills the page with personalized stories and suggested articles. If you want the old school feel, try turning off as much of that content as possible. Depending on your region and account settings, you may see options to hide certain sections, reduce recommendations, or disable the feed entirely. The goal here is to make the homepage more static and less personalized so it feels closer to the older Messen experience. After changing the layout and content settings, go back to the homepage and review the changes. You should notice that the page now looks cleaner, simpler, and much less busy than before. Even though it is not the exact old Mez homepage from years ago, this setup can get you much closer to that classic look. If you want, you can also sign out or adjust other browser settings so Men doesn't keep aggressively personalizing the experience. And that's really all there is to it. You can't fully bring back the old Mez homepage permanently, but with the built-in settings, you can simplify the layout and remove a lot of the clutter in just a minute or two. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what other old website or app you want to bring back next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.